I bought these 15 years ago when I was doing landscaping in Oregon. I took them to Alaska with me when I did landscaping there. I use these all the time. They work fantastically for just about any blade. So let me show you how to use this real quick. You got this blade here. You just go along. So you try to match up the angle of the blade, and then you just go along about 4 or 5 times. You're basically just trying to get the blade back to how it was. Then you flip it over, and then you go about as flat as you can just to get any burrs off, and you just go over once, and that's it. And you're good to go. I also like to use this with my scissors on occasion. Now these scissors are working pretty well actually, but sometimes I'll get scissors that get dull after a while, so I will go over the blades on these as well, just to kind of try to fix up. And yeah, you can feel that now. These are, with a couple passes, that did a really great job. If you do gardening or landscaping at all, this is a tool that you absolutely need.